Hi, we'll see the modify face, modify edge modeling operation on a circular patch antenna in CST tool. So in this example, we'll study for any 3D CAD model when we have to increase the diameter of the patch or a cylinder or else the width of the model. So this option can be used when the parameter of the design is not available. So for this, we'll select the modify face operation from the modeling window by single click on that. Then zoom in to the face which we have to select. Double click on the face. Then give the value what we have to give offset. Click on OK. Now you can see the diameter of the patch is increased. So for the same way, if we have to increase the width, let us say we will increase the width of the substrate and this ground plane. Again, select the modify face operation, double click on that, both the things, give the offset value, let us say 15, click on OK. Yeah, none to all, click on OK. Now we can see the width is increased. Thank you.